Hello everyone, in this video we will learn some tips and tricks of Excel. So let's quickly move on to our first trick. So here as you can see that we have data of attendance of students in the month of January, February, March, April, May and June. So if you want to transpose this data, like you want to convert the rows into columns and columns into rows, so just simply select your data and copy it with the help of Ctrl+C, and then put the cursor in any cell where you want your transposed data, and then go to paste and then select paste special, and in this box so now you just need to tick on transpose and then press OK. Now your data will be transposed, your rows will be converted into columns and your columns will be converted into rows. Now let's quickly move on to our next trick. So here you have given sales data of January to December and it's too big that if you come down you won't be able to see your headings, that is January, February and March, so that you can't identify the sales are of which month. So for this we can use freeze panes. Simply select row 4 and then go to view and then freeze panes and then select freeze panes. Then your row 3 will be freezed and then you can easily check your data. Now if you want to freeze your columns, simply select B column and then again go to view, freeze panes and then select freeze first column. Now your first column will be freezed. You can easily identify the sales are of which product. It's very useful trick. Now let's see our next trick, that is how to sort left to right. We usually sort top to bottom, but in this trick we will learn how to sort left to right. Simply select your data, that is our row 8, then go to sort and filter and select custom sort, then click on options and select sort left to right and press OK. Now from here select row 8 because you want to sort your row 8 and then simply press OK. Your data will be sorted from ascending to descending order. Now move on to our next trick, that is how to fill the blanks. Here you have given marks of students out of 20 in which there are some blank cells, which means that these students got 0 marks out of 20. So simply select your marks data or your marks row and then go to find and select in home tab, and from here select go to. You can also use Ctrl+G as a shortcut, and then from here click on blanks and then press OK. Now all the cells which are blank will be highlighted. Now simply give any color to these cells and now you can type whatever you want to type in these cells, like 0 I have typed 0. So simply press Ctrl plus enter. Now you will get 0 on all your cells. You can easily fill your blank cells like this. Now let's move on to our next trick. Here you have given some rows. Here you have given some data of sales of some products. We will see how we can insert rows and columns in this data. Simply select your data. Like if you want to select any row, simply press Shift plus space and then press Ctrl plus symbol so that you can insert any number of rows. If you want to insert many rows together, simply select as many rows as you want and then press Ctrl and plus symbol. Now if you want to add any column, simply select any column by pressing Ctrl plus spacebar key and then press Ctrl and plus key. So here you can see that our column is added. Now let's check out our next trick, that is how to hide any data. Simply select your data which you want to hide and then go to Home tab and from Numbers select Number and then go to Custom. Now type semicolon 3 times instead of general. Simply type 3 times semicolon and then press OK. Your data will be hide. But you can see your data in the formula bar as you can see in the image. Now here some people do like this. They simply select their data and change its color to white like this. But it's not beneficial because if you highlight these cells with any color, let's say take some dark color like red, your data will be shown like this. When I have highlighted my cells, my data is showing in L column, but in I column my data isn't showing because I have hid my data. Now let's move on to our next trick, that is how to type 0 before any number in any cell. Like if you type 001, 002, 003 and then press enter, you will get only 1, 2 and 3 without any zeros before them. So for this, simply type comma, single comma and then type 001 and then press enter. Do like this for all your numbers and then press enter. So here as you can see that all the numbers have 0 before them. Now let's check out our next trick. How to add comments. You can simply add any comment before any name or in any cell by simply pressing Shift plus F2 key. like I have pressed shift plus F2 key and type anything here. Now when you move your cursor on Neetu, you will see that comment. Whenever you move your cursor on Neetu, you will see that comment. Now if you want to remove that comment, simply go to review and then select on delete. Now your comment will be deleted. Now again, if you want that comment, simply press shift plus F2 key and you can see your comment. Now let's check out our next trick, that is how to add borders. If you want to add borders on your data, simply select your data and then press Alt plus H plus B and plus A, and you will get borders in your data. Or you can just add your borders from home tab also, like I have shown in the video. Now if you want only outside border in your data, simply select your data and then press Ctrl Shift and key, like I have written in the video also. You can check it out. So here outside border is ready. Now if you want to remove these borders, simply again select your data and then press Ctrl Shift and underscore on your keyboard, like I have written in the video also. You can check it out. Now your border has been removed. You can check it out. And I hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.